Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Here I am going to present my paper in third international conference on applied zoology. I am Dr. Mahwish Salman from Department of Biochemistry, Government College University, Faisalabad. The title of my paper is ethylhexyl Phthalate, a major bioactive metabolite with antibacterial, antioxidant, and mosquitoes larvicidal activities isolated from Lactobacillus coroniformis PCH4. These are the outlines of my paper. Here is a introduction. Development of antibiotic resistant pathogenic microorganisms have a great interest in natural products discovery to prevent the drug resistant pathogens and new diseases. Moreover, these vector borne diseases affecting animal and human health, several mosquito species of Culex and Anopheles are pathogenic vectors of many diseases. In addition, many synthetic insecticides such as organophosphates are used to control the biological vectors, but their use as an insecticide has been prohibited due to risk issues. Therefore, we are using natural bioactive metabolites exhibiting unusual structures isolated from microorganisms have been playing a significant role in drug discovery. Therefore, we are using lactic acid bacteria and their metabolites because they have potent bioactivities like antimicrobial, antioxidant, and larvicidal activities. We have and the isolated compound that is the ethylhexyl phthalate has been reported as an potent bioactive secondary metabolite naturally produced by microorganisms. These are the main objectives of the study, that is the fermentation of Lactobacillus coroniformis BCH4 for isolation, purification, and structural elucidation of the respective compound. Potential of BEHP, that is the ethylhexyl phthalate, to determine antimicrobial, antioxidant, and mosquito larvicidal activity. That is the overall methodology. First, we have performed fermentation of Lactobacillus coroniformis BCH4 that was previously isolated in Department of Biochemistry. Then we perform extraction by using ethyl acetate solvent. Then we do purification by silica gel column chromatography, and the structural elucidation has been determined by GCMS and the respective functional groups by FTIR. These purified fractions then undergo for the determination of biological potential by performing antibacterial, antioxidant, and larvicidal activity. Now we move to our results. That is the culture that we obtained of Lactobacillus coroniformis BCH4. Then we do culturing and harvesting, and the supernatant we got is passed through 0.22 micron millipore filters. Then we got filtration after syringe filtration process. Then we do extraction, and we got this oily upper layer which was transferred to silica gel column, and we got the purified fractions. These were further employed to determine antibacterial activity. We got four fractions, sorry. Then we selected F2 fraction, which is more resistant, show its more resistance against E. coli and Staphylococcus aureus. This fraction was further undergo through GCMS, and we got a single peak, and which was the structure was further determined as bis-2-ethylhexyl phthalate. And the functional groups of this compound has also been determined by FTIR spectrum. That is the FTIR spectrum of purified BEHP metabolite. This is the antioxidant activity that was performed in different concentrations in microgram per ml, that is a 25, 50, and the 100 microgram per ml. We got maximum antioxidant activity at this 100 microgram per ml concentration. Next, we have also performed mosquito larvicidal activity. That is the mortality mean of Culex quinquefasciatus larvae at different time intervals and concentrations of BEHP. That is the concentration dependent manner: 50, 0 ppm, 50, 100, 150, 200, and 250 ppm concentration with different exposure of time, that is a 24 or 48 or and 72 or. And we got 100% mortality at maximum concentration, that is a 250 ppm after 72 or. 100% mortality of Culex quinquefasciatus larvae. Next, we also checked the toxicity of BEHP against Culex quinquefasciatus larvae, and we observed this toxicity by determining LC50 value after 24, 48, and 72 hours. and the 72 or after 72 or we have a least value of LC50. As the toxicity of the compound increases, the LC50 value of the respective compound decreases. So after doing that, we also calculate the effect of different concentration of percent inhibition of acetylcholinesterase enzyme activity in C. Culex, Culex quinquefasciatus larvae after 72 watt. We only performed this experiment after on the component we got after 72 hour. Therefore, after 72 hour at 250 ppm, we got maximum or 100% mortality. So we got these values, and the maximum acetylcholine esterase inhibition was observed after 250 ppm concentration at 250 ppm. So that is the conclusion. The production of bis-2-ethylhexyl phthalate by L-chloriniform BCH1 found as potent bioactive metabolite exerting antibacterial antioxidant activity. Moreover, this compound also have potent against larvae of Culex species. It also modulate the ACH enzymatic activity, which causes the death of C. Culex larvae. Our research collaborators, these are the different respective teachers that are counted in our research as collaborator, and we also want to acknowledge the Department of Bioinformatics and Biotechnology and the respective persons. And thank you so much for your attention.